Hey guys, it's Mark once again. Tingnan natin ngayon ang aming buhay mag-asawa dito sa Canada. Yes guys, it's Mark once again. So we're gonna follow that one. Alright, there you go. Well, ganito lang po yung life namin dito sa Canada. Yan. Susundo ng bata, maghahatid sa umaga, susundo sa hapon. Yan. Pagkatapos, pag naihatid mo na sila, kailangan mong dumiretso sa trabaho. At dapat isa sa inyong mag-asawa ay nakaschedule para pumick up sa kanila. Pero ngayon, kaming dalawa ng misis ko ay susundo sa aming anak sa school. Kaya ngayon ay mga 3:30 na ng hapon at 3:45 ay lalabas na sila. Kaya yan, susunduin namin sila. Yan ang tinatawag na the life of the married people here in Canada. At may mga anak. Yan. So nasa labas kami ngayon ng aming parking at papunta kami sa aming sasakyan. At medyo malamig na dito sa Canada kaya ayan, medyo complete gear up na kaming dalawa. So yan, so mga siguro drive 5 minutes, something like that. 5 to 6. Okay, so yan, kami ay pupunta na sa school. Okay, at alam ko nag-aantay ng aming mga supling sa school. Alright, papalabas na kami sa aming building. Punta na kami sa school. Yan, at amin nang babaybayin ang Finch Avenue West. Very close yun ah. Yeah. Close na close. Alright, so our house, our building is just along Finch Avenue West. Okay, at yep. Kami nga na sa Finch Avenue West na, papunta dun sa school ng aming mga anak. At alam ko na magre-request na naman Daddy, I want Jollibee. Ano? McDonald. Okay. So our place is just like at the intersection of Bathurst and Finch Avenue. That's where we live, like along Bathurst and Finch Avenue West. So yan, nandito na kami sa school ni Zara at ni Aaron. At any moment from now, lalabas na sila sa kanilang classroom. At yeah, parang kailan lang, di ba, na nasa PEI ang mga bata na nag-aaral. Ngayon nandito na sila sa Toronto, which is really good. Ang maganda lang talaga dito sa Toronto din, pag nag-transfer yung mga bata, there is no hassle, no? No hassle na. Kasi may record na sila sa government. At papasok mo na lang sila sa school. Yun ang maganda talaga dito sa Toronto. So, si Sarah ay dito na sa unang room. Actually, okay. Madami nang nag-aantay sa kanya. Okay. Okay. I'll see you later. Ngayon, naiwan natin si Mrs. Ako naman, pupunta ako ngayon kay Aaron. Pupuntahan ko siya doon sa kanyang room, sa kanyang area. Okay? Hello! Hi, Kuya Aaron! Okay, Aaron is here now, so, yep, okay. We're going home, alright? Okay, so yan. Ito si Aaron, si Mami naman ay kinukuha na niya ngayon si Sarah. Okay? Yan. Alright. Okay. And here they are. Hello, Sarah. How's your school? Really good. Okay. Did you enjoy your school today? Really good? Oh, you want some? Oh, really nice. Oh my God. Okay. All right. So, are you ready to go home?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Kuya Aaron, let's go home. Okay. Okay.
Daddy, can we have some bits?
You have your Timbits in the house, you think?
How is McDonald's?
Huh?
How is McDonald's?
Well,
Nakachurtahan nila ko.
you're getting bigger.
Every day, McDonald's, every day will make your tummy big. That's... You want McDonald's too?
You want McDonald's too? Oh my God. All right. Okay, we'll drop by there at McDonald's.
Hey! That this must be the last one, okay?
Promise that will be the last one, Kuya Aaron?
Promise! Daddy will always say yes to the McDonald's.
Well, we'll see.
I didn't know what to do.
Okay, as we promised, okay, because Zara behaves today. So what do you want to have, Zara?
I want a Happy Meal and a
So-
burger, a yogurt.
Oh.
I want a French fries and a McDonald's toy.
What about you, Zara? What do you want?
Apple drink, okay? Okay? Okay, Daddy?
You want juice? What's that?
She wants banana juice. You don't have it, it's okay. You cannot force.
All right, we are now in McDonald's, guys. Okay. Hi, 2 Happy Meal, please. Cheeseburger, both no pickles. Apple juice and 2 cups of ice cream. No toppings, no nothing, no not the chocolate. Let just like plain ice.
Cheeseburger, no pickles, and apple juice for drink.
Yep.
Need ketchup with that?
Oh, please. Yep. Sachet, please.
And corn in a cup, right?
Yeah.
2, yes.
That's it?
The yep. I thought you're giving me a cone. No. Right. Okay. That's all for now.
Alright, what's in color?
Is that cone or
Yeah, that's the ice cream in a cone.
no? No,
Put
no.
in a cup.
Yeah, it's the cup. Yeah.
It's
Oh.
the plain.
All right. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Daddy, use that door. It's much better and much faster.
Okay. It's so windy. It's windy.
I think I need to run.
Okay, guys.
This is the
We are
elevator.
now
In the elevator.
in the elevator, and
What happened to mine?
yeah. So we're home,
I'm confused with that, Mom.
and there we are.
In the elevator.
The elevator.
Where's Zara?
He's right there.
And
Right behind the
Zara.
buttons.
Say hi.
Zara. Hi.
Hi.
I'm here.
All right. We're now in PH.
Give me
That's where we live.
Okay. Let's go, go, go.
Okay.
Turn left.
Okay, Zara.
Now. Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to my dad's YouTube channel.